Hi pals, Alice here from FFCEA in the Republic of Korea. Today I'm gonna unboxing the Hsdjet Messerschmitt Me-262 Twin 90mm EDF. Now I'm open the box. There's no inner box. The main wings here, and the manuals, and the other side, the main wings, the under the right main wings, and the nose cone maybe, and the windpipe. The first step box is here some parts and sticker, and next there is a fuselage, big fuselage here, and 90mm Twin EDF. And here, the electric speed control seems to be a hobby wing, auto type, 100 amperes. The electric speed control is auto type, meaning there's the other BC not in the electric speed control. And here the tail ring, the vertical tail ring here, and I'll show you the fuselage here, EDF 90mm here, and the tail rings so narrow to spread out the parts, and a vertical tail ring here, manual, right menu, the parts here, and windpipe here for the main wing, and the small one is for the stabilizer, tail stabilizer. Okay, two manuals here, the nose, horizon tail ring. Alright pals, they are all the parts of the Messerschmitt 262 made by Hsdjet. The fuselage here, and two main wings, and the vertical tail ring, and two engine stops, meaning the 90mm EDFs with electric speed control, 100 amperes, made by hobby wing, and the horizon stabilizer here. That's all. I think it is very simple to assemble all this airplane. And there are some special things here. Look at this, the main wings. They have a brake here, magnetic brake system, and they installed the LED here, the 3 watt, I think, maybe 3 watt. And EPO is stronger than the other companies, the AF or Freeing or something like that. And the nose cone is made by plastic. Yes. And manual. And okay, I show you the EDF system, the inside. 90mm EDF intake here, and this is the maintenance cover, and this is the ventilation, and 100 ampere hobby wings, electric speed control. And can you see that the inside, the 90mm EDF, the made by HSD. All right, the vertical tail wing, every connect system is looks like this, the one-click one, and linkage is made by metal. Yeah, it's not bad. All right, now next time I will show you the assembly, like the Cessna 182 or something. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you next assembly time. Thank you.